Alright, cruise nerds. So this is stateroom 9118. This is deck 9 aft on the port side. And it's also Assembly Station P. And it's a connecting stateroom to 9120, which is right there. So, yeah, here we go. Alright, cruise nerds. So we are in an Assembly Station P. Okay. So when you first come in, the doors are on the right for the bathroom. Okay. And then the closet is on your right. Of course, here's door number 1. Okay. And then the middle right here, which is the shelving. And then, of course, the safe. Okay. And then door number 3, just to kind of give you an idea, it fits 2 small suitcases. And then, of course, it has a ladder because this one actually sleeps 5. And then more of that. And then this one has the shelving to kind of, let me move that. Then here's the shelving. Okay. And it still has H2O stuff in here. Mom will be so happy. And then shower and tub. And then hook thing right here. And then lights, drawers, chargers. And then the bed. And then the couch that will turn into a bed. I know. Alright, cruise nerds. So here is the sleeper sofa down. And this is what it looks like without the upper berth right there. And that's the sleeper sofa. This one turns into a upper berth, which y'all have seen in the past. And then this one will actually have a Murphy bed, which is right here. And it also has storage right there. Yeah. Storage. And then this is what the Murphy bed looks like. So, which is really, really nice. Also, cruise nerds, on the Murphy bed, right inside the hole, there is this like light fixture thing. Actually, let me focus here. And let's see here. There we go. So there's the little button right down here for the switch. And then there's 2 USBs right there. And then there's like a little thing that you can put your phone in to kind of give it that level. So that's pretty cool. I like that. This one does not have a mirror, extra mirror. It is a connecting stateroom to 9120. So that's the connecting door. Here is shelving right here. Drawer right there. And then storage. Drawer. So yeah. And then there's that. And then here's more of the lighting. More charging space. And we got Princess Tiana this time. And in this one. And to kind of give y'all an idea, there is underneath the bed. Alright, cruise nerds. Let's go ahead and go right outside. Alright, cruise nerds. So now here is the veranda. So the lock is on the right hand side this time, up top. And of course we know the handle is the other lock. And here is the bump out. And the little flips do come out, so definitely talk to your stateroom host or hostess and get those open so you can have an extra wide veranda. And here is our view for today. Alright, cruise nerds. Well, thank you so much for joining me on this particular stateroom tour of stateroom 9118. This is a category 4B. B as in Bambi, B as in Baloo, B as in Bagheera. However you want to think about it. And this is a Deluxe Family Oceanview Stateroom with Verandah. This particular stateroom sleeps 5. That is correct. 5. Uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco. 5 guests. And this one, because it has the Murphy bed, it has the upper berth, it has the sleeper sofa, and a queen size bed that fits too. But anyways, cruise nerds, thank you once again. Like I said, see y'all real soon.